Hello everyone! Automatic, self-cleaning litter boxes promise to reduce the work involved in keeping your cat's litter box clean. Unfortunately, not all of them live up to the hype and some simply aren't worth the price. Sometimes you can't tell until you try it for yourself, but luckily you don't have to. After weeks of research, months of long-term testing, and many long hours spent scrubbing out and troubleshooting boxes that didn't make the cut, I've narrowed the list down to 6 units with the potential to save you time and make your cat happy. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which topics you'd like to see in our next video. Number 5. Poro. Independently researched and developed purifying liquid removes unpleasant odors and formaldehyde, kill 99% of common harmful bacteria. Thermal sensor, infrared sensor, weight sensor, anti-pinch infrared sensors, smart detection, remote alerts, accident protection system, remote control and data monitoring through Packet app. 2 modes available: auto cleaning mode / scheduled cleaning mode. OLED display screen makes it easy to check the status and data of PoroX. Award-winning designer's product with elegant and space-saving design. Fits for cats below 18 pounds. Dimensions: 1984*2094*25. 42-inch entrance diameter measurement. 8.66-inch suggested max cat litter capacity in cylinder box. 5L waste collection bin. 7L accessories included: Packet trash bag, Packet air purifying refill, Packet sensor pad. Number 4. Cat Link. The cat litter box self-cleaning can detect and recognize different cats and record the toilet usage of each cat. With the CatLink app, cat owners can track the weight of each cat and stay informed about their feline's health. The CatLink app enables cat parents to remotely control the self-cleaning litter box anytime and access a 24-hour record and 7-day/12-month health report with informative graphics. Plus, one litter box can support multiple users simultaneously. The automatic cat litter box ensures complete safety with its radars, infrared sensors, and anti-pinch features. It stops immediately if it detects a cat during operation to prevent injury. The stable, ventilated design adds further protection, and any issues trigger app alerts via self-detection. Auto mode, manual mode, timer mode, and empty mode are available with remote app control or panel control. In addition, the empty mode is convenient for changing all cat litter and cleaning the globe. Number 3. Neopa. Automatic cat litter box offers 4 convenient cleaning modes, including automatic sensor cleaning, timer cleaning, one-click litter emptying, deodorizing mode. You can also enjoy enhanced functionality through the mobile app. This smart litter box measures 18.9 x 20.5 x 19.9 and boasts a spacious 65L cat litter compartment. It accommodates cats ranging from 2.2 pounds to 17.6 pounds, effortlessly catering to even larger or overweight felines. 5.9 low entry is designed to be friendly to older cats, short-legged cats, and limited mobility cat. Enjoy a hassle-free 15 days without cleaning with our 9-liter self-cleaning cat litter box. Ideal for travelers and multi-cat families. Its spacious 4Gal/9L waste collection compartment can support a 13lb cat for up to 15 days. Say goodbye to daily scooping and ensure your cats have a clean and comfortable environment while you're away. Number 2. Le Petit. Are you so busy that you forget to scoop your cat's poop? Our automatic cat litter box will relieve you of all the above problems. This smart cat toilet will help you to scoop automatically, and the app remote can dump the litter for you with one click, which is a convenient and quick experience. Never scoop again by hand anymore. Automatic litter box adopts the design concept of cat body engineering in the hardware. It has excellent self-cleaning function, supports all kinds of cat litter, prevents the safety hazards caused by traditional automatic litter box, and has 8 safety devices to avoid your cat from getting caught and other situations. In addition, users no longer have to worry about the smell of cat poop. Exclusive app interface design with pets at the core. We will help you record the number and time of your cat's usage in real time and will send you notifications. You don't have to worry about scooping your cat's litter box even if you are away from home for 7 days. Number 1. Tonepie. Newly upgraded automatic cat litter box with sand retaining box to effectively prevent cat from bringing garbage to the ground. The 65L extra large capacity kitty litter box suitable for all kinds of cats within the 2nd of February 25 lbs. Can accommodate up to 3 cats. Automatic cat litter box features APP control. Stay in tune with your cat's health by monitoring it in real time on your phone with the push data feature. App can be switched to English, Spanish, French, Portuguese, Italian, Russian, and other languages. Automatic cat litter box equipped with infrared sensor and gravity sensor. When the pet approaches, the sensor will detect sensitively, and the litter box will automatically stop running until your cat leaves. The defecation warehouse is equipped with automatic clamshell door to isolate the odor. With the latest negative pressure circulation system and ion deodorization system on the market, the sterilization rate is up to 99.8%. That just finished our video. Which one your favorite? Why not? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoy the video, give us like. If you want to see more high quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight into your mailbox. That way you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.